The videos you are watching right now was created entirely with the help of an AI tool. And by the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to do the same thing. This is a simple emotional time-lapse construction video, and this style of content is currently pulling in millions and millions of views across YouTube. Let me show you the numbers so you understand the opportunity here. One channel uploading nothing but this style of video has grown to 132,000 subscribers with only 40 videos, and those videos have accumulated over 51 million total views. A single video on that channel hit 46 million views on its own. Another channel doing the exact same format has a video sitting at 38 million views. These are not one-off cases. There are dozens of channels quietly uploading this type of content and growing at a massive scale. The reason this format works so well comes down to two things working together. First, there is a powerful emotional hook. The story typically follows a homeless person or a family living in a broken-down home, and then a group of people arrives and completely rebuilds it. The transformation and the joy of the person at the end create a deep emotional connection with the viewer. Second, a time-lapse effect is applied to the construction process, which makes the entire build feel fast, satisfying, and visually compelling. Emotion plus visual satisfaction equals massive retention and shares. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to create this exact type of video step by step. Do not skip any part of the process because each step builds on the last. If you miss even one step and then wonder why your results are different, that is the reason. Stay until the end, and you will have everything you need to make your first viral emotional time-lapse video. To create a video like this, you first need the exact prompt that makes the whole process work, and I'm going to show you exactly where to get it. All you need to do is go to givenprompt.com, open the first post, click on Read More, then scroll down until you find the prompt link. Once you click it, you'll get access to a Google Doc, where two complete prompts are provided that can generate an entire video for you. Now that you have the complete prompt ready, the next step is to actually use it to generate your video, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Most people get stuck here because they don't know which tool to use or think they need multiple platforms, but you only need one powerful tool to do everything. Simply copy the first prompt, then go to the website abacus.ai. You'll find the link in the description. This platform is an all-in-one AI tool where you can generate images, videos, and even scripts all in one place. I've personally used tools like this to streamline the entire process and save a lot of time. Once you open the site, just sign up and log in, and after that, your dashboard will appear where all the tools are available. Now you need to use that prompt inside the tool to generate your video ideas. Go to the top corner and click on the Route LLM option. You will see multiple AI models like ChatGPT, Claude, and others. Select ChatGPT 5 or a similar model for best results. Once selected, a prompt box will appear. Copy your first prompt from the Google Doc and paste it into the box, then click on the Generate button. Within a few seconds, your video ideas will start generating. Wait for it to complete, and you will have your first 10 video ideas ready to use. Now copy the second prompt from the Google Doc and go back to abacus.ai. Paste this prompt into the prompt box. Inside this prompt, you will see a section in brackets where your video idea needs to be inserted. Take one of the topic ideas you generated earlier, copy it completely, and paste it inside those brackets. Once done, click on the Generate button. Within 20 to 30 seconds, your image prompt and video prompt will be ready. After they appear, use the copy option below to copy the generated prompts. Then open a new Google Doc and paste them there, because these prompts will be used to create your images first and then convert them into videos in the next steps. Click on New Chat in the top corner, then look below the prompt box where you'll see multiple options and select the image option. A panel will appear on the right side. Click on Models where you'll find different image generation models like GPT Image, Nano Banana, Nano Banana Pro, Midjourney, Flux, and others. For the best quality, select Nano Banana 2. After selecting the model, go to the prompt box below, copy your first image prompt from your Google Doc, and paste it here. Then scroll down, choose the number of images you want, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, and set the image resolution to high. Make sure to turn off the option that modifies the input prompt for better results. Finally, click on the Generate button and your first image will start generating. Wait a few seconds until your first image is ready. Once it appears, click on the Download button and save it to your device. Then go back to the image generation section, remove the previous prompt from the prompt box, and copy the next image prompt from your Google Doc. Paste this new prompt into the image prompt box. Keep all the settings the same as before. Now scroll down and you will see an option to upload an image. Upload the first image you just downloaded. After uploading, turn on the option below that was previously turned off, then click on the Generate button. Your next image will start generating. Once it is ready, download it as well. After downloading the next image, go back to the image generation section again, remove the previous prompt, and paste the next image prompt from your Google Doc. Then upload the image you just downloaded and click on the Generate button. Repeat this same process for all the prompts. Each time, remove the old prompt, paste the new one, upload the last generated image, and generate again. This keeps your character and visuals consistent across all images. Make sure to download every image once it is ready. If any image does not look good, you can regenerate it easily. Continue this step until all your images are generated. Now that all your images are ready, open a new chat on abacus.ai to convert them into videos. Below the prompt box, click on the More option and then select Video Gen. On the right panel, choose the type as image to video since you'll be converting images into video clips. Then go to the Model section and select a video generation model like Grok AI Video or any available option. After selecting the model, paste your first video prompt from the Google Doc into the prompt box. Then upload your first image in the Start Frame section. Set the duration of the video, choose 720p resolution, and select the aspect ratio as 9:16. Finally, click on the Generate button, and your image will start converting into a video clip. After clicking on the Generate button, wait a few moments until your first video clip is ready. Once it's done, go back to Video Gen, remove the previous prompt, and paste the next video prompt. Then upload your second image in the Start Frame section and click on the Generate button again. Your next clip will start generating. Repeat this same process for all your images, each time replacing the prompt, uploading the next image, and generating the clip. Continue until all your images are converted into videos. If any clip doesn't look good, you can regenerate it easily. Now all your clips are ready, simply click on the Download button for each one and save them to your device. Download all the videos one by one until you have every clip saved and ready for the next step. Now I'll share the link to abacus.ai in the description below, which is a powerful all-in-one AI platform where you can access multiple tools in one place. It's affordable and gives you full access for around $10, making it a great option if you want to streamline your workflow. Once you have all your clips ready, the next step is to move into editing. You can use any video editing software for this step. Open your editor and import all your video clips. Once imported, start by placing your first clip on the timeline. Then add the rest of your clips in sequence. After arranging them, you can enhance your video by adding transitions, effects, background music, and making any necessary edits to improve the overall quality. Once your editing is complete, simply export the final video and upload it to your social media platforms.